Hello. Hope everybody is doing well today and that you are uh, ready for school year start. Um, this is for new teachers and maybe a refresher for some of us that have taken the summer and kind of forgotten since we're coming back from quarantine. So what I thought today we would do is we would have a basic little um, basic uh, tutorial on how to do Powerschool. And I know a lot of you know how to do this, but this is also for some of the new teachers that might not know how. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go over and take a look here at the Powerschool homepage. So what you need to do is you need to be at warsawschools.powerschool.com/teachers. This will take you to the teachers portal. Okay. And so it'll say teacher sign in, you use your sign in, then you go ahead and sign in. As it comes up, sometimes since my office is at central office, you might have to change your school, which I have to do. I have a class that I teach at the high school called outdoor education, but I'm also going to do just a test course today so we can kind of give you an idea of different things to look for. Okay, so this is what your homepage will look like. This is the start page. So you'll have all your classes. So you can see here that I have my test course and then my outdoor education course. And this is the course that I actually teach at school. So let's just take a look at we can do different things in the teacher in the test course. So you can take attendance from here. So you'll click on the chair and we'll come over here and we will call it up. Now, Gandorf Gray, the gray. So what will happen is with next to each person's name, this is how you can take attendance. There could be different alerts for them. Okay, so this particular student has just a bunch of different things, alerts that we have next to him. So we have, you can hold over medical, parent alert, discipline alert, other alerts, EL, RTI, no speak English at home, high ability. So there's all kind of 504, social emotional. So there's all kinds of different things that come next to the name. So when you want to take attendance, you simply click on this. It'll say present, and that's the default. If you want them absent, you can just click on absent, and then you press submit. Okay. If you're like, oh, I messed up, you can just go back to present and then press submit. You can have a seating chart. Obviously, I have one student in this class. You do not have to, I won't have a lot of people in this class, so this kind of will just show it up. But when you set up your seating chart, press OK, the layout, you can move that person, select, you can have a random selector, and then you can just move them wherever they want to go. So, but you can set up that layout any way that you would like. Okay. You can do single day, you can do multi-day attendance. There's all kinds of different things that you can do. So you can see where they were absent. Like, so this is just one day. If it was a full week, obviously all these would be open. Okay. So that's kind of the seating chart. So if you ever want to just go back to the main page, you just click on Powerschool and that'll take you back to your main page. So if we wanted to go to the Teacher Pro, so wait here a little bit, and the Teacher Pro will then pop up, and this is where you'll get your grading. This is where you'll get your grading set up. Now, you can set up different ways. So here's your grading, your grade book. You can run report. You can actually email the entire class. You can email your class, set that up. You build your list. You can click on there. You can copy paste and put all their names right in here, and that could be your list. You can click on the boxes, and that will just put the names right down there. You can copy paste them right down. Put them right down there. So that's something you can do to email your class. Obviously, here's your grades. You can do traditional grades, standard grades, uh, category totals. And some of this you just got to play with a little bit to kind of learn. This is just basic. You can weight your grades. Weighting grades will be kind of where your departments are at, especially for the secondary. Lower elementary, you do standards based. And then that will be something the weighted part will be where you will want to get with your departments. Grading, you can have a spreadsheet. Obviously, I don't have any grades in yet with this one, but you can see total grades there. This was just an A/B, the type of scale. I'll tell you right here what it is. If you wanted to, assignment list, like I said, once again, I don't have any assignments to put in there. If you wanted to create an assignment, we can simply create, we can go up to create, click on create, click assignment, and then you just go ahead and make this, select the class. Since I have 2 classes, it would go to the test class. Clicked on that. Go back to my create here. We'd select the class, then you would go ahead and put the assignment name, category. On the categories, let's just make this really quick. Select the category. Do you want it classwork, project, quiz, test? You can weight, so there's your weighted scores. You can points, percent, you can do, there's all kinds of different things. Like I said, part of it is you just need to play with it a little bit. Select your class, since that one is it right there. So then it will say, save and continue, student standards and publish. So that's just kind of how you can set up a assignment. Like I said, again, it's part of just getting into and playing with it. Okay. Maybe you want to show reports, so you can do an individual report, and it will turn it into a PDF, and you can actually attach it to an email. Just wait here a second, and then it will tell you all kinds of different things, the way to run your report. It give you all these choices. Okay. Once again, part of this is just getting in and playing with it. This is just a basic tutorial on how to get to some things. When you press run report, it will then be queued for you, and then you can just pull that up. Students, obviously, there's your report, and then the format, however you want to do your format. Okay. Settings, you can do all kinds of different things when it comes to your settings. How you want it set up, how you want your comment blanks, just all kinds of different things that you can do. So this is just kind of a rough way of what Powerschool is. There's all kinds of different things about what you can do and what you can come up with. And like I said, it's just a basic tutorial of how Powerschool works. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know, email us. We're always here to help. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.